Hello, let me look at your work. Okay, we got a mood board. Hold on. By accident, we're looking at typography instead. All right. Wow, neat. It's so refreshing to see all this Chinese lettering. And I like that you're thinking about your assignment. That's wonderful. My only thought is I wonder if the effort that you went to would be sharper on a white background. Did you try? I'm curious. That's all. I'm curious what you thought. All right, so I thought I downloaded. All right, typeface. You guys have the same last name, and I keep getting extremely confused with the downloads. See how they're similar? Okay. So, all right, so I'm seeing. Okay, I got it. I thought this was the mood board. I didn't get the lettering right away. That's nice. That's clever. The S really works well. Eeh, the A of the Bears. That's funny. I'd like to know what you thought of that Timothy guy that got killed by the bears up there. Did you see that documentary, Derek? When you have time, I'd love to hear your thoughts. All right, so this is interesting, but yeah, I did think it was the mood board at first. I wonder, if it would come across, some of these would come across better if they were cut out like the boot. Just a thought. I think, though, otherwise I would take these into Photoshop and try to adjust the lighting so that they all look somewhat similar. Basically, what I'm saying, whatever you can do to bring uniformity to the lighting, to the letters, to the letter shapes, will help the mind grasp it quicker. So if it was all cut out like the boot, we would start to see them more as symbols. Does that make sense? But clever. Clever idea. Both really strong concepts.